Imagine a ticking time bomb strapped to Europe's largest nuclear power plant.
That's the horrifying reality at Zaporizhzhia in Ukraine, repeatedly caught in the crossfire of war.
Nuclear reactors rely on constant electricity to keep them cool.
Zaporizhzhia has faced repeated blackouts, forcing it to rely on generators, a risky proposition.
Remember Fukushima? A tsunami knocked out power and backup systems, leading to meltdowns and radiation leaks. Zaporizhzhia isn't facing a natural disaster.
It's staring down the barrel of human-made mayhem.
Russia and Ukraine seem to be playing a deadly game of chicken with nuclear safety. Each attack, each power outage, pushes the plant precariously closer to a meltdown. The consequences would be far-reaching, potentially spewing radioactive fallout across vast swaths of Europe. The world watches with bated breath, warnings falling on deaf ears. The International Atomic Energy Agency has a skeleton crew stationed at Zaporizhzhia, but their role is limited to offering technical advice. They can't stop the war, and they can't force either side to prioritize safety over military gains. The recent drone attack serves as a stark reminder of the 5 principles outlined by the IAEA for protecting nuclear facilities during conflict. These principles have been blatantly disregarded. This isn't just about one attack, it's about the constant threat hanging over Zaporizhzhia, a threat that could erupt into a disaster unlike any the world has ever seen. The world leaders need to wake up and smell the radioactive coffee.
Appealing to Russia and Ukraine's sensibilities has proven ineffective. It's time for stronger measures to prevent this nuclear nightmare from becoming a horrifying reality.